Hey guys, welcome back to Spy Drill, a place you get the best spy app and gadget recommendations. From account setup to app installation, features, pricing, pros, and cons, this review will clear all your doubts about mSpy and help you decide if it's a good choice for monitoring your loved ones or not. But before we go any further, don't forget to subscribe to Spy Drill for future updates on new videos. For monitoring your loved ones with mSpy, the first step that you need to go through is the setup of the app on your and your loved one's device. So let's learn how to set up and install mSpy, starting with your device first. Go to the official website of mSpy and click on the Try Now option that you see on the top. You need to create an account on mSpy by providing your email ID and then tapping on the Try Now option. Now select the type of device that you need to monitor. In our case, we are going to select the Android option. Finally, you have to purchase the services of mSpy to monitor your teen with it. After the registration is complete and you have purchased the service of mSpy, you will get your mSpy password and username. On the next page, it's time to provide some information about the target person, like the name and age of the teen, and also you will see the registration code. Save this registration code as it will be further required to set up mSpy on the target Android phone. In the last step, you have to select the model of the teen's phone. If it's not mentioned, just select some other model to continue. With this, the setup on your device is complete. Now it's time to take the child's phone handy in order to set up the mSpy app on it. Before starting with the mSpy installation, there are some changes that you need to do on the target Android phone, starting with the disabling of the Play Protect option. Go to the Play Store app on the target phone and tap on the hamburger icon that you can see up on the top. Now select the Play Protect option and then select the gear icon that you can see. Simply disable the Scan Apps with Play Protect option to stop the target phone from getting any notifications related to mSpy. Let's start the installation of the mSpy app on the target Android phone now. Open any browser on the target Android phone and search b55y.net/a. This is the unique app downloading link of mSpy. For starting the downloading of mSpy, you need to pass a certain CAPTCHA. After the app is downloaded, it's time to install the app on your spouse's phone. For monitoring of the target phone, certain permissions need to be given to mSpy. These permissions include access to contacts, manage phone calls, calendars, location, photos, and media, and messages. mSpy will ask for your permission to monitor your lover's phone. Give the permission by tapping on OK. Finally, let the app make some changes to enable the messages tracker, make the app undetectable, and prevent its uninstallation. On the next page, you have to provide the registration code that mSpy gave you. With this, mSpy has made its place in the target Android phone. Now it's time to go back to your device and start monitoring your loved ones with mSpy. If you are still confused about the setup process, then you can go through our detailed review article of the app, link given in the description. Dashboard. After your initial login on mSpy, you will be on the dashboard of the app. It's kind of a place that will give you a little summary of what's going on the target Android device. On the top left side, as you can see, the details about your mSpy account are present. Adjacent to it, you can see some details about your lover's phone. These details include battery level, IMEI number, and mobile network, if on or off. Below that, you can see how much activity is done by the target person in different sections like browser history, location, text messages, and WhatsApp. Scrolling down below, updates on the most calling contact, most messaging contacts, and most visited websites can be seen. Below that, you can get updates on the current location and history of locations. Let's discuss the features of mSpy now. Contacts. If you are using mSpy to spy on your teen, then it's important to keep their list of contacts handy. You can do that by going to the Contacts section of the app. You can see the name of contacts on the left side, and by clicking on any contact, you can see the information related to it on the right side. This information includes phone numbers and email. Text messages. Being the most popular app for having text conversations, leaving the Messages app unchecked does not make any sense. Just go to the text messages section and you will see all the messages that your teen either received or sent. You can see even those messages that were present on the phone even before the installation of mSpy. You can also filter the messages by adding the dates for which you want the messages to appear. Calls. By keeping an eye on the call logs of your lover, you can know whom they like to talk to for hours. You can see the data for the calls made or received by your spouse even before the installation of mSpy. The information that you could see in the call section is the type of call, phone number, name of the contact, duration of the call, and the date and time of the call. The update for the new calls might be a bit late, but it's not just for the call section. mSpy usually takes time for uploading new data in every section. Events. The Events section will extract the important dates that the target person has marked as important or set as an event in the calendar app of their phone. The Events section will update you about the title of the event, description of the event, location, and the start and end time of the event. Photo and video. Simply getting a glimpse of the photos stored on your lover's phone can reveal the truth you are searching for. But there's a drawback that you will face with the Photos feature of mSpy. The app is only able to show a few of the pics that were present in the phone before the app installation. As for the new pics, you will get to see them. The same is the case with the Video feature of the app. You can play the video right on the app portal or download it if you want. Keylogger and keyword tracking. Keylogger is a special feature that can easily give you access to the keystrokes typed by the target person on various apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, or even retail store apps. Using the Keylogger feature, you can know what all things your child likes to watch on the internet, how they talk to their friends, and even the things they want to purchase from Amazon, Walmart, etc. The Keylogger feature of mSpy worked completely fine as all the keystrokes were complete and were extracted from almost every app. With the continuous use of cell phone daily, it's obvious that the list of keywords is going to be too long. This may result in missing the tracking of some words and sentences that should come to your knowledge. Using the keyword tracking feature of the app, you can add the words that you never want to miss. After adding the desired word, whenever the target person uses those words anywhere in their phone, you will get notified about them. Installed apps and block applications. There are thousands of apps available on the Play Store that are not fit for your teens at all. But these apps can be addictive and you need to make sure they are not using those apps. Using the Installed Apps feature, you can check all the apps that your child likes to use on their phone. Now, what if you actually saw some adult app on their phone? In that case, you can simply click on Block, and in some time, they won't be able to open that app on their device. GPS locations and geofencing. Knowing the current location of your lover is not possible remotely unless you have a spy app like mSpy by your side. Using mSpy, you can keep a track of the current location of your lover 24/7. But the feature might take some time in updating you with the current location. You obviously don't have the whole day to monitor the current location of your spouse, but using the list view option, you can keep an eye on locations visited by them. You can see that location directly on Google Maps as well, and checking the date and time when they were present at that location is also possible. The geofencing feature is of great use if you're using mSpy for monitoring your teen. Even after stopping them hundreds of times from going to distant places, your teen might still be going there. But by using the geofence feature, you can set up an imaginary fence where you will either allow or restrict your kid from going. Now whenever they enter or exit the fence, you will get notified about that. Screen recorder. Almost every spy app user is mostly concerned about the things going on in the social media and instant messaging accounts of the target person. Using the screen recorder feature of mSpy, you can keep an eye on all the WhatsApp conversations of your lover. Screen recorder feature works with screenshots. While the person is using WhatsApp, you can see continuous screenshots appearing on the app's online portal. With each screenshot, the date and timestamp can also be seen. Plus, the screenshots can be downloaded as well. This feature is supposed to show the results from other apps as well, but it failed to do so. Browsing history and block websites. Keeping an eye on the browsing history of the child is necessary in order to make sure they are not accessing porn, political hatred, or any other unethical stuff on their phone. mSpy will update you about the things they search on the internet with its browsing history feature. You might not see the title of their search, but you can directly access the website they opened by clicking on the given link. The last time they visited that link and the total number of visits made can also be seen. If you witness a website accessed by them that they should not access again in the future, then it's time to block that website. Just go to the Block Websites feature, provide the link of the website you don't want them to open, and click on Block. The next time they try to reach that website, they simply won't be able to do that. Other additional features. The list of mSpy features has not come to an end yet. There are some other features of the app that will definitely be useful to you. Using mSpy, you can keep a track of the emails that your spouse receives. With the browser bookmark feature, you can know which websites they have bookmarked, and using the Block Wi-Fi feature, you can easily block the use of any Wi-Fi for them. Pricing. There are two different plans. One is basic and the other is premium. The basic plan is available for $29.99 and the premium plan is available for $69.99. Both these plans are for a 1-month subscription. The premium plan will have more features than the basic plan, so make sure you go for the premium plan if you want more features. And if the features of the basic plan are enough for you, then go for the basic plan. Pros. Now let's throw some light on the pros of using mSpy. mSpy works in hidden mode. The app is simple and easy to use. No need to root the target Android phone or jailbreak the target iPhone. Advanced features like geofencing, block websites, block applications are available. Tracking of WhatsApp is available with screenshots. Cons. Data sync speed is not good. No result for any other social app other than WhatsApp. Not all old photos and videos are synced. mSpy discount coupon code. Although the price of mSpy plans is quite economical, you can bring down the price even more with the special discount coupon of mSpy. On the payment page, you have to click on I have a discount code option. Now simply enter your special discount code, that is, SPYDRILL15, and click on Apply. With this, the discount is applied and you have reduced the amount that you need to pay. So here we would like to end our review for mSpy. If you like the working of this spy app, then you can check it out with the link given in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future videos.